Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email in Italki. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner and press on the account symbol there. Now you can just press on settings here and press on general now. And now you can just press on email. And in order to change your email, you have to type in your password here, and after that press on continue down below, and you will be able to change your email address after that. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.